making thinking visible. Now it's a very different kind of topic, especially useful for educationists, for teachers, because in Project Zero, which was carried out in Harvard School of Education, they found that today's learners need to be vocal about the learning so that the teachers can make out, the faculty can find out whether the right type of understanding and comprehension has taken place. So there are quite a few techniques and principles of making thinking visible, which I'm going to discuss today. For example, thinking routines. And another one which is very popularly used across the world is that of collaborative learning. Different techniques which I'm going to discuss with the training participants today, so that they are able to not just make sure that the transfer of knowledge has taken place in a very engaging manner, but at the same time it's up to international standards, and the evaluation and assessment is also fun. So contact us at 3T if you too want to know what is this concept of making thinking visible.
As a social studies teacher, I can implement all these points in my group activity. Okay, so first point is enhance metacognition, as ma'am said, to think about our thinking process. So we can help our students by engaging everyone in group activities or anything which we can ask them to share about their.
So we got the picture with sand, water, footprint. So basically what we understood is we should be a repetitive, we should use repetitive action to teach students. As a teacher, we should leave a print, we should leave an image. As a teacher, we are leaving image on every student. So it should be
multiple concepts to active classroom learning, along with lesson on multiple intelligences based on larger skills.
Deforestation is done everywhere. For us only, we are the responsible. So, for better tomorrow, we have to save our earth by plantation.
Good morning. In this picture, a man is hanging towards downward. In this, he is trying to do activities which are to be done in the correct position, but he is trying to balance and he is trying to implement new ideas and new thinking in his life.
That a man is sitting on the rock, and this signifies that he is giving himself time, space and energy where he can upgrade his abilities and he can know about the problem solve, and he can also develop his problem. That's cognitive.
Running on, I think according to my point of view, this man just want to chill. He just want to sit there and enjoy the nature. He just want to see the creation of God.
I think so. This story is related as my view. It will be a travel time plus global warming. In this slides which you have shown us, we have seen farm animals first, then growing population, increasing population, because of which environmental hazards have been increased, like growing population, vehicles and all was shown in the slide. So as per me, I am a small child and I am growing up as a farmer's child along with all the animals.
Organized well, and it is for relaxation of mind. I would introduce that.
Okay? You want to speak? Alright, let me give you a different perspective here. That is,
one person is pulling and one person is pushing. So the person who is pulling is taking the responsibility, and the person is pushing doesn't want to take responsibility.
that's a different perspective. You want to share as well? My understanding, I think the other person is also pushing. So we can have different perspectives. If I have to talk about
In this picture, the tire is broken and also the car is moving. It shows that we should give a proper and a full knowledge to our kids. If we give a less knowledge and just not full proper knowledge, if the concepts are not there, they will not understand the right step and they will not put the right path.
Hello everyone. So there's in picture we can see a blue sky, two directions, left side and right side direction. Okay, a man looking in a right direction. So as a teacher, we should give a specific instructions to our kids. So the correct knowledge should be given on the two words for the correct future of them.
Express themselves with their hands, their eyes, their neck, with their body parts. And sometimes they learn, they touch things and they express themselves.
So they are physical or kinesthetic learners. They have to do things, touch, feel, then they learn better rather than just listening or seeing.
Yes. And the other is verbal. Verbal is where they can speak and they express their thoughts and words.
So verbal is not just about speaking. Verbal word means words. So you speak or you write. Both are verbal. So oral and written style of learning is verbal. Okay?
The verbal is oral. Oral is where you